Last Friday, we attended the Queensland Law Society seminar on the new seller's disclosure statement regime. As you know, the changes are big. The good news, we're ready. We've now confirmed our pricing and turnaround times for preparing the new mandatory seller's disclosure statements. Whether you're a selling agent, buyer's agent, or curious property investor, you'll want to be across this one. All right, so what's changed? From the 1st of August 2025, it will be compulsory for all sellers to provide a compliant seller's disclosure statement with annexing documentation before a residential contract is signed. Failing to do so will give the buyer the right to terminate right up until settlement if the documents are incomplete or inaccurate. This is not just a tick and flick exercise, it's a legal landmine if it's not done properly. But don't you worry guys, Empire Legal's got you covered. After attending the QLS Seminar, we've built out our process and pricing structures to ensure that deals don't fall over because of disclosure issues. We've locked in our fixed fee, so it's going to be $990 including GST and the standard searches. We've locked in our turnaround times, so up to 5 business days for house and land. We will need an extra 2 business days if it's a body corporate, as it can take up to 5 business days for the searches to come back. Oh, and by the way, it's $150 for the cost price of the searches if you're ordering in a body corporate, as we need to order the body corporate certificate and the community management statement, CMS. They are both prescribed forms. We don't make any money off of this, it's just the cost price of the searches. We've made this nice and simple because ain't nobody got time for overcomplicated pricing. Let me explain more. So we've designed a very simple pricing structure. The fixed fee covers the time and all the legal advice. For example, if you disclose to us that we need to look deeper into something else, then we will obviously have to pay for the cost price of that search. Now, with each property situation, it's going to be unique. The standard searches we've included in our pack of information are the essentials to be compliant and protect you. So we're talking title search, registered plan, contaminated land, transport and main roads, QCAT search, heritage search, pool safety search, plus body corporate and CMS if applicable. So we cover all the things that have to be disclosed, plus any nasties that could allow your deal to fall over if they're not. This is all going to be bundled in a nice compliant pack with easy to understand, friendly Empire Legal advice. Good news, we're also going to include in that pack of information either a prop check or a Develo report absolutely free. We're going to pay for that for you and give that to you as part of our pack as an extra little gift. So in the coming weeks, we're going to have this pricing transparently available on our website with all the T's and C's. Until that time, if you check out this week's blog, which is now available on our website, you'll see all the information you need for the moment. That's everything I just explained. Now, beware. Beware of firms offering cheaper disclosure statement solutions. They likely aren't doing the searches that are required to protect the deal from falling over. Remember, if this isn't done right, the buyer will have a continuing right to terminate the contract all the way up until settlement. So you can't let your clients cheap out on a cheap and nasty bargain bin operation because it's going to cost you a deal. Real estate agents, if you don't want the stress and risk of preparing this yourself, as it can be quite onerous, as soon as you sign a Form 6, please introduce your sellers to us and we'll take care of everything for you. Any referrals are treated as a VIP, as our service is a reflection of you as you're the one recommending your services to us. Our promise to you is that we won't let you down. Please keep in mind, guys, that getting this wrong does have serious consequences. Most of the agents we've already spoken with have decided to refer the Form 2 seller's disclosure preparation over to Empire Legal, and we're happy to help. Ultimately, agents, they're your clients, so it's up to you to have that conversation with your clients about what works best for them. Again, you should be having this conversation as soon as you are appointed, so straight after the Form 6 is signed. If your office doesn't want the stress, introduce the clients to us ASAP so we can get started. The sooner we're engaged, the sooner we can have your Form 2 and prescribed documents, the sooner you can sell the house. Because remember, this is now a blackout period. You can't sell that property until this Form 2 comes back. Now, at Empire Legal, we move fast. We know how important time is in the property game. We can help prepare the disclosure statements quickly. The part that slows down the operation is the search timeframes. So, waiting to hear back from the government, body corporates, etc. to retrieve these property searches. The sooner we're engaged, the sooner we can get this stuff back to you. These timeframes are a guideline, obviously. We may be able to do it faster if the searches come back faster. Alternatively, if there's extra searches and there's longer waits, that could take a bit longer, but we're going to go as fast as humanly possible. To engage us, all you have to do is introduce the client to us, info@empirelegal.com.au, or give us a call, 3088 7675. There's also going to be a link coming on the website with steps on how to do it directly through the website without needing to email. That'll be by the time it launches. Okay, now, we are looking forward to helping our clients and our real estate friends have a great, stress-free experience with the transition over to the new seller's disclosure regime. Now, little peek behind the curtain, guys, we're also planning to host a seller's disclosure seminar to allow our agent friends that work with us and support our business the opportunity to come and learn all about the upcoming changes. Stay tuned for more. That's going to be coming soon to an inbox and social media channel near you. If your conveyancing team has not kept you up to date with these changes, we're happy to work with you. Come on board, we'll look after you and your clients. We deliver Queensland's most trusted conveyancing experience. Guys, you've got to pick a conveyancing team you can trust. We've got over 2,600 Google reviews with a 5-star average. We've helped well over 12,000 people move in and out of their properties over the years, and we want to help you. Best way to stay up to date, guys, our social media channels. I'm talking Instagram and YouTube. Every week we're releasing more information for free on the seller's disclosure regime. It's 100% free. Now, if you haven't heard, we've also just this week launched our podcast. It's called Raising the Bar, where we storytell excellence in Queensland property. My mum is the first guest. You can jump on Instagram in the link tree, link in bio, or jump on YouTube and check out our podcast tab. It's a great watch. It's a bit of a laugh. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next week. Ladies and gentlemen, please keep in mind that all advice is general in nature and does not constitute legal advice. This is authorised by George Souris Empire Legal, Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia.